Tonight we are having barbecue chicken breasts because that's what Naomi likes.
I don't like meat.
She likes chicken and marinated in Italian dressing. She likes that.
Yeah.
But then for us beef eaters, we got flank steak.
Right on. Okay, one more thing. Auntie Dawn got me this. Stella Artois. I want you to say Stella Artois.
Stella Artois.
And the other one, I'm going to mix these two.
How are you?
It's my own special mixed drink.
Have you ever done that?
Yeah, usually because
You have a little bit of
I have a big mug and I have like two
little
things
bit
of beer. I
left.
don't want to make two trips, so I just mix them together. Sometimes they turn out pretty good. This is the first time I've done Stella Artois and Guinness.
Guinness.
Yeah.
Stella Artois.
Beef lives matter.
Beef flat?
Beef lives matter.
Anyway, let me give this a shot. Oh God. A little hard to do this with one hand. Some people don't like to pour it like this because they don't want to make the foam, but I like the foam. We're going to start off with the Artois.
Artois.
Yeah. And then I'm going to put a little bit of Guinness. You know, it's going to be like a little 80-20 going on. Let you know how it is. The end.
The end. Naomi, do you, well, John Paul, you like mashed potatoes, right? Whoa.
Is that the one that fell?
It's still exploded?
Wow.
Remember one fell yesterday?
Yeah, that was a long time ago.
Anyway, what were you going to say?
So, mashed potatoes, and so what vegetable? We have canned green beans, or we have broccoli, or we have mixed veggies, which is broccoli, cauliflower. Any of those you like?
Am I still recording?
I don't know. Oh, dang it.
Oops.
I like broccoli.
Broccoli, are you the only one? John Paul, will you eat broccoli?
Yeah, I'll eat any vegetable.
Okay, good.
And I'll mix it with Artois.
Well, no, you won't. Mix it with...
Oh, God.
and then you have it on your list. Oh, I'm supposed to put barbecue all the way up.
Oh, God. You couldn't hear it, but I farted right now.